B690 Baler Machine. Support wheel offers protection in all rough field conditions. Balanced crop stream thanks to high-performance feeding system. Small transmission system delivers the power from the main transmission to the fork system. Balanced and proper power distribution with wide diameter heavy flywheel. Heavier and more compact bales thanks to the powerful piston system. The chain system that gives movability to the extra assisted knotter set. Large twine bale box for non-stop productivity. 2 twines knotter set works flawlessly and high accuracy with its central lubricating system. Fan system works quiet and fast. It allows the permanent cleaning under all conditions. Extra amplified compression chamber for more dense and heavy bales. Needle protect system prevents any possible damages to the needles in all rough field conditions. Balanced and proper product stream thanks to high-performance feeding system. Technology to reflect your energy. Baler Machine.